Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is about hair care. Before we start the video, I really want to talk about the makeup I've done. I know I'm looking very different than otherwise because I don't experiment much, but I have thought that this year I will try to do more exclusive stuff than what I do regularly. I don't use makeup on a basis. It's a very nude. My makeup is always very nude. Now I'm thinking like today I have done this. If you can see, so today's video is about our hair. Okay, I will be just telling you a bit about hair, but see, I won't be telling you about everyone because everyone's hair is different. So whatever I use maybe doesn't work on your scalp or for your hair, but still I will tell you what recently I've been using and how much difference it made for me. So as you know, oil is very important for our hair scalp. It nourishes our scalp and it is very important, guys. We tend to skip it nowadays. Do you remember in old ages, like your mom or your nani, dadi would have told you that please put oil on your scalp? Their time they used to be in oil, I think all the time. And I think currently we are so socially active that we tend to forget taking care of our own hair or own skin, which is very important. So majorly oil is very essential because it nourishes our scalp. It goes same as how we use a moisturizer and cream for our body and for our face, it goes the same for our scalp. So imagine not using a moisturizer on your face for a week, 2 weeks, and then months and months. Can you imagine? Can you even live without moisturizer for a day? No, right? Same goes with our scalp. So oiling is very essential. So recently I've come across a very nice product which is Onion Black Seed Hair Oil by Wow. Now the good part about this particular oil is an onion hair oil. I'm sure that you know that onion is really important. I think most of the people who are suffering from balding or hair loss, onion water or onion juice is the best for that. So guys, let's see what is this oil made of. So it is made of onion and black seeds oil with almonds, castor, jojoba, olive and coconut oils. Basically it has a combination of every possible nourishing oils. Also guys, you need to make sure that oiling and taking care of your hair is not just based on the oil. You also have to eat healthy for that. So you have to make a routine. You need to oil your hair at least twice a week. Make sure that every week you are oiling your scalp twice. You are eating green vegetables. You are eating lots and lots of juices and fruits. These two things are very important. So massage your scalp twice with this particular oil. So it says it's a non-sticky, non-greasy hair oil for silky and stronger hair. There's one thing that I really like about this brand is I think all the products that I've used are really non-sticky and non-greasy. Oils are big time sticky and greasy, and this is the only reason I think all of us, we don't use oil these days, and especially in the summers it feels so choked up that we can't resist even for an hour. But this particular oil is not at all greasy, so you can use it and you'll be far better than any other oil apart from that. Everyone who ever color their hair like I do, I've colored my hair a lot, so it's a must buy for such hair because our hair is actually damaged. We have caused damage to our hair. So recently I have been thinking not to color my hair and I want to get rid of all the colored part that I have on my hair. So till then I'm really taking care of my hair because I think 2 years back, since 2 years I've colored my hair really regularly and they really cause damage. So I really wanted to just make my hair silkier, smoother and better. Like naturally I have a very silky straight hair, but it became rough. Like if you can see here, I straightened my hair right now, but otherwise I have split ends and not very nice. I have recently started to manage and keep my hair better, at least take care of them. Also guys, this product is for 599 rupees because we don't use all that much, so I think this will stay for around 5 months at least. It's a 200 ml bottle for 599 rupees. So guys, that was all in the video for today. Hope you like it. Do let me know if you want to know the makeup tutorial for this particular look. If you like it, also tell me if you like it or not, because then next time I'll try something else. Take care guys. Do not forget to subscribe to my channel, share, like and comment below. Also do not forget to follow me on Instagram. Till then, take care. Bye bye.